Someone on Reddit said that I hate my college, and I realized that's all I've told you guys. So today, presenting to you the part of RML NLU I love, the campus.
I'm so sorry to disturb you guys, but I just want to ask you, rather remind you, कि आप लोगों को पता है ना that the first time around I gave CLAT, I had a rank of 25,000, and it was only after 7 to 8 months that I got my current AIR 786. And you know, guys, that made me wonder that, well, there are actually certain secret ingredients that go into the preparation. Because why else would I have 25K in the first place? And why would I have these basic questions lying in my YouTube comments or Instagram DMs every single day? That made me realize that कि आप लोग coaching जा रहे हो, you guys do have the books and materials, but what you don't have is personal mentorship. Or even if you have that, those people end up saying to you कि जाके newspaper पढ़ लो या mock अच्छे से analyze करो. And that's a personal scar, right? So I decided to do something about that problem. I am launching Ace Legally platform where you and I will sit across a video call like this and you tell me your weakness, be it GK backlog, be it time पे paper नहीं खत्म हो रहा, be it 40 से आगे नहीं बढ़ रहे, be it 70 से आगे नहीं बढ़ रहे, be it maths नहीं हो रही, and I am going to make a customized plan for you, carved and customized according to your strengths and weaknesses, that I will make sure that you follow and we never have that weakness again. I guarantee. And when I'm behind something, you know that's gonna happen, right? So to have me as your personal mentor, just fill in the Google form that's in the description. And I want you guys to know that these are not just empty words. I'm just a law student who was a law aspirant previously. And so I understand what you guys go through. I'll see you there.
So this is the way that I take to my class every single day. This is the first building that comes our way, right opposite to the grand Ram Manohar Lohia statue. This is the admin block. It does not have any specific purpose because like we sit in the class for 30 minutes and then we get to know the teacher is absent. So I don't really see a point, but at least it looks good.
ऐसी शुरुआत I'm a fighter पर अब कैसे लड़ूं खुद से कैसे बोलूं कि मैं आया तेरे दिल में रुकने मेरी बात अब तू सुन ले
So that's the girls' hostel's way. This is where we came out from, and this is when we take a left from the admin block. My favorite spot.
वो ही दिन जब हम साथ थे गुजरे कितने दिन यूं ही ऐसे गुनगुना के बिन रोए गुजरते रहे वो दिन दिल होए नरम से हाँ तेरे बज़म में रहे ये दिल तो रहता ये खुश है बोल तू किधर किधर है आजा पास वरना तन्हा लगे
Have a look at this.
बोल तू किधर
Guess it for me. What is it? It's literally a penguin dustbin, and as rumors have it, one costs 33,000.
तू साथ हाँ तू किधर किधर है बोल तू किधर
Just like that, we reach our acad block where everything happens except for academics, and these are our classrooms where I've seen trading and gaming too.
That I'm feeling हुआ है ये पहली बार See I started from the bottom और खुला है आसमां पर खींचे मेरी डोर तू के रहूं तेरे पास
This is the jogging pad. It's a little greenish in color. I hope you can distinguish from what's visible over there or there or in rest of the camera.
तेरा सा तेरे बिना हो चैन मुझे रास बाहर हो गया है मुझे ये एहसास हूँ माजी में फंसा हुआ करूँ मैं अब याद जब हम गुम थे जब हम सुनते कैसे थे वो नाते छुपी छुपी आहटों की गहरी मुलाकातें वो ही दिन जब हम साथ थे गुजरे कितने दिन यूं ही
How happy I am to say that it's an Olympic sized pool, and how I love it, and how we can actually take classes during the day and be underwater in the evening.
बोल तू किधर किधर है आजा पास वरना तन्हा लगे बोल तू किधर किधर है जरा बोलना दूरी छोड़ी बात हाँ तू किधर किधर है किया वादा के ना छोड़ेगी तू साथ हाँ तू किधर किधर है हाँ तू किधर किधर है
Now we're out of the gym building, and on your right is the basketball court where I got my thumb fractured right in the beginning of the session. Anyways, have a look at the beautiful yellow and white buildings. But first, another penguin. Okay.
कैसे कहूँ मैं तुमसा कोई ना है मैं तेरे आस-पास रहूं.
So this is where I generally sit, but except for this place, there's also another seating facility available, and on the ground floor is the huge computer lab with printing facilities available. And you know, I've always said it, how the 40,000 books of the Madhulimai library make up for all the demerits that RML has. And these are my two moods at the library. Chalo, now let's take a joke break, okay?
I don't want the girl child to study, तभी library girls hostel से ज़्यादा दूर है, boys hostel से ज़्यादा पास.
Anyways, now as we come outside the library, we come across the B.R. Ambedkar Auditorium, which only opens for big events such as the convocation, where the guest speakers were.
In other words, the clouds that arrive from here, and we are seeing those clouds outside today, shall rain upon the entire world, upon every flowing stream and upon every mountain of the world.
टेक्नोलॉजी, ये बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जो व्यक्ति को भी, व्यवस्था को भी और समाज को भी बदलती है. लेकिन बदलाव की राह क्या होनी चाहिए, वो सकारात्मक है या नकारात्मक, ये हम सब पे तय करता है.
और फॉर द वर्ल्ड कप,
जबरदस्त पारी रही है और बड़ा खिलाड़ीबाजी वही जो जिस दिन सबसे ज्यादा जरूरत हो.
Yeah, that's also classified as a big event. Anyways, next to it is the massive cricket/football ground. Next to the field is the boys' hostel of RML. They have two buildings. Girls have one, so you can guess where the congestion happens. And of course, I can't show you what it looks from inside, but from outside. Anyways, right behind the boys' hostel is the multi-purpose hall. It's my third favorite place because it has a badminton court along with TT tables, old gym, etc. A few steps ahead is the dispensary where the doctor sits for 2 hours a day and an awesome therapist sits twice a week. Now, all the buildings that you'll be watching are basically the backside of all the buildings that we saw previously. A lot of greenery, you can guess what happens here. Anyways, now what I'm going to show you is the place of RML. Presenting to you Sampark, the hangout place of RML. Now, primarily, you're gonna come here for either of those two paths, but first, and now the walls of Sampark that literally speak. Sampark is unrecognizable without these people roaming around, and also without the 7 pillars that signify the 7 principles of the socialist freedom fighter of India, Dr. Ram Manohar Lohia.
Give me some sunshine, give me some rain, give me another chance. I wanna grow up once again. Give me some sunshine, give me some rain, give me another chance. I wanna grow up once again.
But this day, my mom herself had come because it was the last day of semester and I had a great time with her, you can see that. So Sampark is basically behind the girls' hostel, and this kind of crossroad that you're seeing right here, can you believe what we call it in our college? It's literally called the PMC. Pia Milan Chauraha. I know that's embarrassing, but whatever. Right in front of the PMC is the VC lawn, and we basically use this as our terrace. In winters, we warm ourselves up because that's where the sun is. So that's it, guys. Now you have seen the whole of RML from my eyes and with limitations. Most beautiful sunsets and sunrises from here though. Anyways, bye bye. I'm going back home. Oh, sorry, to the girls' hostel. I know that's cringe, but whatever. We take a pause here. How do you feel? I'm in RML.
Proud.
Yeah, how do you think I feel?
You feel?
Shit.